In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitter feed to your Shopify store. We'll walk through the whole process from grabbing a post from X, formerly Twitter, all the way to displaying it nicely on your Shopify storefront. By the end, you'll be able to showcase a specific tweet or shared post directly on your site, which is great for social proof, announcements, or highlighting customer feedback. First, head over to x.com in your browser. Find the exact post you want to feature in your store. You can use the search bar if you're looking for a specific topic or keyword, or simply go to your own profile if it's a tweet you posted yourself or something you've reposted. Take a moment to double check that this is the post you really want customers to see, since it will appear publicly on your store. Once you're on that post page, look toward the top right of the tweet. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, choose Embed Post. This will open a new page where X asks how you'd like your content to appear. You'll usually see options such as an embedded post, or in some cases, an embedded video if the tweet includes one. Select the option that best matches how you want it to look on your store. After you choose, X will generate an embed code below. Click the button that says Copy Code to copy that entire snippet to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Online Store option and click it. Under your current theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. This is where you'll add a dedicated section for your X post. Inside the theme editor, focus again on the left panel, where your sections and blocks are listed. Under the template area, click Add Section. A pop-up will appear with a list of different section types you can add. Scroll down until you see Custom Liquid and select it. Shopify will add this new section to your page, and you can drag and drop it to reposition it wherever you want the tweet to show up, such as near testimonials or on your homepage. Next, click on that new Custom Liquid section in the left panel to open its settings. You'll see a text box where you can enter code. Paste the embed code you copied from X into this box. Look at the live preview on the right side of the editor. You should now see your X post rendered directly on the page. If you want to feature more than one post, you can repeat this process and add additional custom liquid sections for each tweet you want to highlight. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the placement and appearance, go to the top right of the editor and click Save. Your embedded Twitter post is now live on your Shopify store.